Okay, we're going to start recording again because Firebase is already installed was my problem here. If I do Firebase login, for example, it will now, remember we just hit return here, it takes the yes. I have to tell this to allow access, make sure it can contact this here, allow. Okay, so that means it's successfully logged in, which is good. Now we have to figure out what directory I'm in, which is C users, F Schmidt, downloads, yada, 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 which is a long way away from where I want to be. I need to write this all out, this page, into a folder, which I do by publishing it. Publish locally, and we're going to go to, you know what, we'll just go to documents, because that's an easy place to get to. Yeah, that's really helpful. There we go. Going to select documents and hit publish. And when we do that, we should now have a folder in documents. That's going to be this one right here. And this is going to be our stuff. If I double click this, this should launch my page, which it does, which is good. That's exactly what I want it to be. Let's go back into documents. Now I have to make sure that in my command line interpreter over here that I'm in documents. That one. So what I'm going to type is dir, and then I need that path there. I don't know if that'll work. I'm going to say Control C and Control V. Yeah, I didn't think it would let me do that. I'm going to change directory, and dot dot will bring me up a directory. So if I go dir now, you'll see I'm in C users F Schmidt, and now I should be able to go into documents. CD, change directory, documents. Okay. If I dir, we should have that users F Schmidt documents. F Schmidt documents. Oh, isn't that wacky? That's not the same documents folder. Don't you love Windows 11? Okay, I'm going to move it because that's actually easier because it's such a small folder. I'm about to bug out that this doesn't give me a nice easy way of doing that, but I think it will once I should be able to paste this now. Nope. Okay, we're going back here. You know what? I wonder if I can just drag and drop the goddamn thing. Test. We'll start there. Do you want to close the file? Keep it currently open. We'll close it. I'm good with that because I don't really need this open right now anyway. And now if I go into F Schmidt, we should have test right there. I'm going to drop this in documents. So now if I go into documents, I have test, which is my folder, which has my running file in it right there. See that? Good. Okay. Now, you know what? I don't need this open. We'll clean this up a little bit. I want to go up one folder here into F Schmidt documents. Close that one. Go here. And if I hit dir, it should show me that I have test in there, which I do. Good. Okay, now we want to do Firebase init. And this will create the public folder here that we need. Hit the enter key to upload. Hosting, configure files, right. Spacebar, enter. Used existing project, it should list them for us. And there was one I made that was called test something or another. Test pages 2, that's the one I want to use. Hit yes, your public directory. We'll hit enter. We'll hit return. We'll hit return. And what that means is I should now have these Firebase files, and this thing public. This public, they automatically give you 2 files. This one's going to get overwritten. If I double click them, you'll see it's like a default, like, oh, this shows that Firebase is there. And this is what happens if they can't find something, the famed 404 page. So let's take everything from test. We will copy. We're going to Control-C it, and hopefully that's going to work. Let's see. We're going to go into public, and we're going to paste it. Replace the file in destination, yes. So what that means now is the new index page is that, which is what I want it to be. Now, I want to see if Firebase deploy is going to work. I don't know that it will. Let's just see what happens. It'll probably give us that same error we had last time. No, that worked perfectly. Perhaps they fixed it. Wouldn't that be wonderful? If this worked, which it should have, this should be my new URL. Uniform Resource Locator, that means, which means if I go here, you're looking at my magic page. Okay, I'm going to stop this recording, and we're going to upload it.